Are you thinking of selling your home and you want to make top dollar? And are you stressed out for mistakes that could happen when hiring inexperienced, unqualified, or discount broker who, by the way, can't offer enough value to the only way they can earn your business is by cutting their commission, which means they're cutting their value? We're going to educate you and inform you of the secret hacks and tricks that top producing agents don't tell their competitors. You wouldn't believe that there are a few hacks when you're selling your home to ensure that you get maximum exposure and top dollar. Hi, I'm Marloni with EXP Realty, and in this video, we're going to talk about the outside of your home, curb appeal. Now, I'm sure you've heard this before, but you really have to understand the importance of it. Many times, buyers won't even walk through a home that doesn't look cleaned up from the outside when they pull up. Now, they are simple tricks that can save you money and actually maximize the return on your investment. Now, at the same time, here's an example by adding a few flowers or plants that can pop color and make that ugly old yard turn from frumpy to fabulous. Now, maybe you're wondering if the outside needs a new paint job. Have you considered just painting the door and trim? Many times that alone can spruce up the outer appearance and look as though the entire home has a new paint job and save you a lot of money. Right before pictures, be sure to water down the concrete or pavement, as it would enhance the photos and make the home cost even more. Also, be sure to trim up the trees, landscape, and roses. If you've got so many trees that it hides the home, well, you're losing buyers. Lastly, be sure that all exterior lights are working and the home is well lit up at night. We've got so many more tricks to show you to ensure that once we get a buyer to see your home, that they're more likely to want to ride on it. Now, be sure to call us and we'll make it happen.